Hey guys, it's Bub here, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the all-new Galaxy S23. This video will be strictly an unboxing as I've had the phone for less than 2 hours at the point I'm uploading this video. So, let's get into it. So after the fiasco that I had with the Google Pixel 7 Pro back in October, I was extremely nervous to get a new phone. However, it was time as my aging S20 was showing signs of a bad battery and was generally slowing down. I just wanted to compare the boxes as I found it kind of funny that the S23 is considerably smaller. This is because they did not include the charging brick in the S23, which I'm a little disappointed about because, I was hoping I'd get a new charger brick. But it did come with a charging cable, which I will be using at my desk, and then the charging brick at my bedstand. Since I did not have a knife or anything on hand at the time, I just went ahead and ripped the seals. I was eager to see this phone because I was truly ridiculously nervous about getting another phone that I hated, like the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And now we can open the phone like an iPhone. And the first thing that we're going to see is the camera lenses, which actually protrude from the packaging. But we're going to set that aside and take a look at the accessory package, which comes with a SIM card ejection tool, which I actually did use, as well as a quick start guide and a USB-C to USB-C cable. Again, no charging brick. You have to buy that separately if you don't have one. Luckily, my S20 came with one. I believe it was the last Samsung phone to come with a charging brick. Moving on to the phone itself, we can pull it out of the packaging, and I can finally feel how heavy this phone is. It's definitely not heavy, but it's not light either. It feels like a premium phone. And the moment I saw this phone, I knew I made the right purchase. I love the design of this phone, and it feels amazing in the hand. So just looking at the design of this phone, I love the way that they designed the cameras. I think it looks a lot better than anything that they've ever done on the S20, 21, or 22. We can now peel away the protective film to reveal the non-curved display. That's the one thing I'm going to really miss about my S20 is the curved display. I was one of the people that actually loved having it. I didn't really use it. It wasn't really functional, but I just loved having it. And here we go. We are now able to run through the setup of the Galaxy S23. I'm just clicking through some of the policies. I didn't even really read this. I was too excited that I actually got a phone I liked. I'm going to go ahead and connect it to my Wi-Fi network off camera because, I don't want to show my password on the internet. Now we're going to go ahead and it's going to search for eSIMs. I have a physical SIM card that I'm going to transfer over, so I'm just going to skip this step for now. It's going to show us this screen, which is getting our phone ready. I'm not sure why it's taking so long, but I just can't. This phone is beautiful. I love the camera design. It is amazing. And we're just not going to copy apps and data because every time I get a new phone, I like to go through and pick what I actually use and what I don't use. So I'll be installing my apps manually and going through all that fun stuff later. Now I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my personal Google account, and that should be able to bring over some of my settings and things from my... Alright, after agreeing to some Google terms of service, we can now set up the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The S20 was the first phone I had with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and I loved it. One of the main reasons I actually returned my Pixel 7 Pro was because it didn't have an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. It had an optical one which utilizes light, and it just bothered me. I don't know why I'm weird like that. But now we can go ahead and I'm just going to skip Hey Google because I never used it, skip the assistant, blah, 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 all the regular fun Samsung stuff. And now it's time to sign in to my Samsung account. And now that we're signed in, we can go ahead and agree to the last terms, choose dark mode because I like it because of the OLED display. And that's it. We are now in the home screen of the all-new Galaxy S23, not Ultra, the regular. I am so excited to be able to use this phone and, just generally see how it performs over the next week. I will give you my full review next week in next time's video, as I'll have a full week to have daily drove this phone. With that being said, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe if you're new around here, as I do all kinds of different technology videos, including device restorations. With that being said, I'll see you all in the next one.